What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're gonna review the Fidelity's trading dashboard and I'm gonna show you how to use options within it, okay? So the first thing you do is go on the Fidelity website. I typed in Fidelity trading dashboard and it brought us up to here. Now it has this little introduction, pursue ideas, place trades, track performance. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do, okay? So click view your trading dashboard and let's get right into it, okay? So once you click on it, there's a few things that you're gonna notice that pops up. Right away, a chart pops up, trading dashboard. It shows the ticker symbol to trade your stocks. It shows the day range, 52-week range. It shows the ex-dividend date. So it shows a little bit of options on here, which is kind of cool. You can also do buy or sell if you wanna buy shares, but let's get into the options. So I'm not gonna go through the chart. I have another video that I'll post on this on how to do that. It'll be within this video, so just click on the link in the description below for that. Click under option chain. So when you click under option chain, it starts to give you some options now. All right, so let's break it down very slowly for the beginner. So you have option strategy, which is right here on the left side. Let's go over that first. We're gonna review calls and puts for this video. We can go into more in detail, but I think this would be a great start. So going over calls and puts, I'm gonna do one at a time. So if we do just calls, meaning we think the stock is gonna go up over time, you will see that when I click that, all of these options here are call options, all right? And now you can set the strike price. The strike price is right here. On the left-hand ticker symbol right here, strike price 137, 138, 140, 145, etc. And if you change the strike price to 20, you will see that we have 20 more options that I can cycle through and see. All that means is that wherever the price is, so $141, it's giving you a range, basically 10 below and 10 above where the strike price is gonna be for the option, okay? Now, moving over to expiration dates, you will see right here, it says June 6, 2025 expires in 2 days. If I were to delete this one and just unclick it, you'll notice it disappears and it goes to the next green highlighted, which is June 13th. Now it shows June 13th. If I want to do the same thing and unhighlight this one so I don't have any options to pick, it's going to take me to the next date at June 20th. There you will get more options of all call options, and you will see the different strike prices. Now to make things a little less confusing, I'm just going to make it 5 strike prices. So we only get 5 options to choose from, and you can customize this. All you have to do is click on this link and you can customize the range that you want it to be. But let's do 5 just for purposes to see June 20th, June 27th, and July 3rd. You will see here, June 20th, 2025, it shows you that it expires in 16 days. The June 27th option that you saw right here is now here. And the July 3rd option is right here and it shows expires in 29 days. Now let's get into some of the fun stuff and we're gonna go to weekly expirations. So it expires in 2 days. And I'm gonna show you why people get so excited about playing these, but we're gonna go over the buys and the sells and showing the risks that can come with it. So right now we can see on the top ticker symbol that NVIDIA is trading at $141.60. With that in mind, we are going to pick an option where we think that it would go. So it's almost Friday, it's Wednesday of the recording of this video, and theta, which decays the option, you will see over time. So let's just bring this up in more detail so we can actually see how this works. When you click on that tab, you will see the trades screen pop up. And I'm gonna see if I can move this over for us, which is not allowing me. So you will see this trade ticker symbol on the right side with NVIDIA trading at $141.60, calls and puts. Now I am doing what's called the action. The action means buy to open, and we're gonna go over this because I know this is confusing for some people. I'm gonna show you 2 options. I'm gonna show you buy to open, and I'm gonna show you sell to open. We will show you exactly what it means, but real quick, if you buy to open, the only loss that you can have in a buy to open is the amount of principal that you place in it. Versus if you did sell to open, you can have an infinite loss. So let me show you what that really means. Let's put in one contract. June 6, 2025 expires in 2 days. All right, and now I'm gonna preview this order. So put the option in at 205. So me just buying that one contract, one quantity, limit at 205, it cost me $205.65. Fidelity charges, and most other brokers charge a fee for playing options. So this will charge 65 cents for every single option that you did. So if you did 2 or 3 options quantities, that would cost you 65 cents times the number of quantity that you are doing. So just keep that in mind when you buy options. So when you do buy to open and you place the quantity at 1, call option, June 6, 2025, strike price 141, scroll down and you will see max gain is unlimited. My max loss for this position, I can only lose $205 plus the included fees of the 65 cents that you pay per option contract. All right, I want to show you the included fees that we were just talking about. So I'm going to change this to 3 or 2, and notice that the included fees went to $1.30. If I change this to 3, notice the included fees go up. If I bought 100 contracts, the included fees are $65. So you're paying 65 cents for every contract that you own. I just want you to be aware of this. So now, I want to show you why it is so dangerous when people trade options and they do sell to open. So now we're going to switch it to sell to open. Same thing, quantity 1, calls, June 6, 2025, strike price 141. Limit price I set at 205, even though we can see I wouldn't even get in on this because the bid is 218 right now and the ask is 220. Look at my max gain, $205 to collect that premium, but my max loss is unlimited. So if you don't know what you're doing, that is very risky trading, and you need to be aware of your strategy and what you're trying to do. What I do like though is switch back to buy to open. Even if it's buy to open or it is sell to close, you will see that the break even is $143 per share. So if Nvidia on Friday is going to expire, but the share price is above $143.45, I know that I will be even on the trade and not lose my money, because you have to worry about theta decay. So Nvidia would have to appreciate in price up to $143.05 for me not to lose money on this option trade. Next, the last thing I want to show you is if you click on this link, max gain, max loss, or even break even, it brings up the option strategy guide from Fidelity. I highly recommend that you read this before you try options. A lot of people lose money trading options, and Fidelity offers a glossary that explains what a put option is, what a call option is, what in the money means. There's a ton of information within this guide that I have read through before I've done options, just to learn how this actually works. Truly understand options. When you watch a video on YouTube, there is no such thing as a guru. There is no such thing as somebody that knows all the answers. Yes, you've seen my profitability. I've been consistently profitable. I've made over $59,000 in 6 months trading this year. I made $80K last year. It doesn't mean I know everything. There's always something to keep learning, so you have to keep educating yourself when you are learning stocks, bonds, options. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope this gives you at least a start. Please check out the channel for more links. I'll include it in the options playlist as well, and I'll connect that video at the end of this video. Please check out the links if you're interested. You can join my WAP for the community of investing. You can also become a member where you gain access to perks, where you get to learn my trading strategy like supply and demand trading, the 5 reasons why I'm holding UNH for the next 10 years, how I made $2,000 in 10 minutes using an RSI strategy, or you can just use it just to gain my trading strategy or support the channel. It's all appreciated, and there's plenty of playlists that are free for you guys besides the members only, which cost about $2 a month. But there's plenty of options here where you can learn from me. So I appreciate you guys tuning into the channel, and I'll see you next time.